Hello everyone, my name is Sinta Apriliani and from Information System 2020A. Here I will explain the results of scientific writing that I have made entitled Impact of Social Media Use on Student Academic Performance. Abstract. This study was conducted with the aim of knowing the impact of using social media on student academic performance and how to overcome dependence on social media. The type of research used is qualitative research using library methods, data collection by considering the results of the study of theses, journals, books, and studies that are relevant to the impact of social media on student academic performance. The data that the author focused on is data on the impact of social media on student academic performance. Material explanation. 1. Introduction. 2. Review of literature. 3. Methods. 4. Results and discussion. And 5. Conclusion. Introduction. The development of information technology brings a change in society. The birth of social media makes people's behavior patterns experience a shift in both culture, ethic, and exciting norms. Indonesia, with a large population with various ethnic, racial, and religious cultures, has a lot of potential for social change. From various backgrounds and age, almost all Indonesians own and use social media as a means to obtain and convey information to the public. Andreas Kaplan and Michael Hillian define social media as a group of internet-based applications that build on the ideological and technological foundation of Web 2.0 and enable the creation and exchange of user-generated content. 2. Review of literature. Understanding social media. Social media is an online media that occupies social interaction. Social media use web-based technologies that turn communication into interactive dialogue. Definition of social media is also explained by Fendich, who reveals that social media is a media platform that focuses on the excitance of users that facilitates their activities and collaboration. Social media function. Social media is media designed to expand human interaction using internet and web technologies. Social media has succeeded in transforming the practice on unidirectional communication with broadcast media from one media institution to many audience, one to many, into a dialogical communication practice between many audience, many to many. Social media supports the democratization of knowledge and information, transforming humans from the user of the message content to the maker of the message itself. Social media benefits. 1. Means of learning, listening, and conveying. 2. Documentation, administration, and integration facilities. 3. Planning, strategy, and management tools. 4. Means of control, evaluation, and measurement. Type of social media, Funtuadi 2011. Bookmarking, Wiki, Flickr, creating of a nation, and social networks. Academic performance definition. Academic performance is the final result achieved by someone as a success while attending education in an educational institution. In citing literature and articles, often use the terms learning achievement, success learned to reveal the same thing. O'Connor and Faunan, 2007. 3. Methods. The method used in the scientific papers, impact of social media use on student academic performance. Uses a library method or approach. According to Z, 2003, literature study or literature can be interpreted as a series of activities relating to methods of collecting data in libraries, reading and recording and processing research materials, documents, as well as other data sources deemed relevant to the research. The keyword used by the researcher in data collection was impact of social media use on student academic performance. From the data collection, various articles, theses and books were obtained. Data symbols that are written and implied from the data collected. The analysis used is descriptive, philosophical, and theoretical. 4. Result and discussion. Understanding impact. Impact according to the Big Indonesian Dictionary is a form, a strong influence that can have good or bad consequence or can mean a fairly severe collision between two objects so that it can cause changes that occur in life. Impact of social media. Positive impact. Positive impact of social media facilitate the learning process because when students experience problems or difficulties in learning, they can access information from social media, thereby increasing their academic performance. Negative impact. Negative impact of social media. Addictive. It is undeniable that these users will find it difficult to escape from social media. Such precious time is only spent using social media even more. So for those listening who live every day with the grip of social media. Benefits of social media on academic performance. In Ramadi 2016, the following are some of the benefits of using social media, namely, the creation of a community. Many students access information from digital media when they get assignments or challenges from lecturers. They decide to dig up information. Relationship of social media with academic performance. As we know that a relationship requires a subject or an intermediary, as is the case with academic performance. In carrying out learning activities on campus, a student needs to get results from academic performance which can be in the form of numbers or GPA scores. So social media to improve student academic performance is very influential. If there is no social media as a learning medium, it is likely that students will also have difficulty accessing information, and of course it is very limited. And last, 5. Conclusion. The use of social media such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp can also affect students' academic performance, but it depends on the goals of each student. If users use it positively, it will have a good impact on academic performance. But on the contrary, if it used only for fun and not able to allocate time to study, will most likely have a negative impact on academic achievement. Social media also has benefit, namely being able to build community and insight, establish good relationship, get information. Thank you for your attention. I apologize if there are mistakes, and see you.